Hello everyone. Today we're going to be opening up these Chocolate Toy Surprise eggs. We're going to try to collect all 12 of them. There is a full case here of 12. Let's hope that we don't get any duplicates. So without any further ado, we're going to take the plastic off this baby and we'll be right back. Okay, so we'll start with the first one. Let's put these aside here. And we're going to go ahead and start this first one. So excited. Oh, she's so cute. Just to let you know, I'm highly obsessed with Hello Kitty. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is a little bit different. Oh, that is so cool. It says, oh, these are all the ones that we can actually collect. Okay. Perfect. Now let's see what we get. Okay. Comes in a cute little box. Let's see what we get here. Oh my goodness! It's, oh! Oh my goodness! It's little playing cards. Isn't that adorable? Oh wow! Okay, this is really cute. Here's a Joker. And it's got actual playing cards or little miniatures. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, I love that. Look, they're so tiny. And they all have Hello Kitty on them. Okay, we'll open up another one. Okay, I told you I would try the egg, the chocolate, and let you know how it is. It's another of my favorite chocolate. Oh my gosh. I'm also a chocolate lover. You're gonna love them. These are awesome to share. Okay. Okay, now we're on the second box. Oh, so cute. Okay. Aw, what do we have here? It's just Hello Kitty. Oh, is that adorable or what? Aw, okay. Okay, we're on our third one. So far, got the little cards and a little sitting Hello Kitty. Some more yummy chocolate. Okay. Oh, we've got the playing cards again. That's okay. We've got a little bit of a duplicate going on here. They're almost out. Not quite yet. Open it from both sides so we can get through a little bit easier. That's okay that we get duplicates because they're so cute anyways. Okay, we got duplicates, it's okay. Okay. Open up another one. Another little egg. At least the chocolate's yummy. Okay, this looks like it's something different. Oh, it seems like it's some sort of a little bit of a puzzle. Let's see here. This is the little train. So cute. Little Hello Kitty train. You just kind of put it together. It comes with the instructions in the back. Okay. Next one. Let's see what we get here. Oh, it looks different. Oh, it's stickers. Oh, now who doesn't like stickers? Cute. It's just adorable. Aww. Ballerina, a doctor. Oh, I love them all. Just gonna set these here. And open up another one. Okie dokie. Let's see what we get now. Yay, it's another one. It's different. I love the figurines. Oh, she's so cute. It's a little ballerina. Oh, I love it. Isn't she cute? Okay, we're gonna put her right here next to the train. So cute. Okay. Okay. That's okay if the chocolate is broken. I'm gonna eat it up anyways. Okay. think we have another set of the cards. And we do. I'm just going to set those here. Okay, we're ready to open up another one. That's okay that we get duplicates. Oh, this is different. Oh, it's kind of squishy. It's like a hard squishy. Let's see what this is. Could be a magnet. Okay, we'll open it up and find out for sure. See how it's kind of like a 3D? It's so cute. It sure is. Looks like a magnet. I love it. Okay, ready to open up another one? It is another one. I never get tired of Hello Kitty stuff. So okay, now another one. We have 3 more to go. Oh, it's different. Okay. Okay, I'll build it. We'll put it together. And it's a Hello Kitty on a bike. Isn't she adorable? So tiny. It's the back. Put the 2 little tires on. And she's holding on to the wheel. It's so cute. Whoops. Set her right back up. Okay. That's okay, we have a duplicate. It's still so cute. put her right back there. And this is our last egg that we're opening up tonight. Oh, it's different. That's exciting. Look at the green one. Oh, she's so adorable. Yay. It's so cute. We're going to set her back here. Well, we're done. This is it for today. Please don't forget to like our video and comment below to let us know what you want to watch next, okay? Have a good day. Bye-bye.